How to fix the NOexistenceNof of Lilith is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once it's completed, you can close out of Steam. Now open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find in the description below. Now from this table, you want to get the 86 installer and the 64, both of them right here. And once you install those, it will require a computer restart. And after the restart, one thing you'll need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So you can either use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software if you have one of those GPUs, the NVIDIA or AMD. And from the drivers section, you want to check for the latest available driver update and make sure to download and install it. Now, one thing left to do is right-click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library, and that should solve the crash problem for you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.